if you are hafiz, you have memorized the Quran, to revise and to review the Quran, the complete Quran, twice in Ramadan, that fits into the mold of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But for the average person, the average Muslim who has only a few chapters of the Quran, then among the goals should be to learn more of the Quran during Ramadan, to set a goal. If you have memorized the last juz, or you haven't memorized the last juz, then set the goal. Memorize the last juz of the Quran during Ramadan. Make that a clear goal, to try to preserve some of that Quran with us. If we already have one juz, then set another juz. And that's something we can work on every year, adding, building on. So, memorizing a portion of the Quran.